Hi, my name is Alma. We are in Concord, California. So the roof actually has never been worked on, and I believe there was leaks in the roof starting to happen. So it was time to get a new one. I found Epic through a recommendation. So we chose Epic because they had great prices, and then the warranty. The time for the warranty was a great deal. I believe it was a 50-year warranty that we got. The job was done great. It was actually done pretty fast. I think they were done within 2 to 3 days, pretty smoothly. The communication with the company, with the project manager, was all great, smoothly. Everyone was pretty helpful. It feels great to have a beautiful roof now. No more leaks. I would definitely recommend it to friends and neighbors around here. Thank you, Epic, for my lovely roof.